one taking Mia today kasi may laro si Daddy, may competition siya today. So all the time, pag ako yung nagda-drop kay Mia, that means Daddy is not available. Meron siyang competition, laro, ganyan. So I have no choice but to take Mia to ballet. So yung kapatid ko naglo-look after kay Kai. Kai still asleep, guys. Kaya hindi ko madala-dala si Kai kahit saan pag umaga kasi tulog siya. And ayoko siyang gisingin. Nagigising na lang yan mga 12. Siguro latest niya is 1 p.m. Kasi pag natutulog siya, diretso-diretso. Pero nagigising naman siya for a feed. So, since breastfeeding na siya, yeah, we were just side laying pag nagdedede siya. And, yeah, it works really good. And I get to sleep also while he is feeding. So, which is, I like breastfeeding kasi I get to sleep while feeding him. And, yeah. But not all the time tulog ako kasi nafe-feel ko pa din na he's sucking. Of course, I have to supervise him while, you know, nagpapadede.
Kai's already gonna be 7 months.
Yeah, soon. And
When is his birthday again?
31st, 31.
No, I mean, what is it? Is his birthday on November?
What month do you mean? What month?
Yeah, what month?
He is December.
December.
Yeah, same as Kala. They have the same birthday.
Every time they have the same birthday?
Yes, they have the same birthday.
No, but why am I not the same one?
Because you have a special birthday.
I have a special one more than them.
We're back in the car. We will change you. We'll change ate. Kasi punta tayo mall. We're gonna buy a present for the birthday boy tomorrow. My birthday
I
coming.
don't think his birthday is gonna be dinosaur.
It's gonna be dinosaur?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Is his birthday gonna be dinosaur or not?
Oh, the theme?
Yeah. Mommy, wanna hear my song?
Mm-hmm.
Henley had to
Like that? I love
Yeah.
your song.
That's how the song beats and ballet. Oh, oh.
Okay. Meron na naman si Miyang
I got that again. I'm so
Yeah.
lucky.
award. Nakalagay, Mia did great today. She loved doing parachute and singing the bubble song. Amazing work, Mia. Miss Talia. Yeah, Miss Talia's there today. Okay, go sit down and put your seat
And
down.
show this.
What's that? Yeah. Ayan. Okay na?
Show the back.
The back.
Yeah.
I did. I already showed them. Dali, go sit down. And put your seatbelt. I'm waiting. Ayun, maghanap tayo ng regalo sa Big W.
Can I choose a toy for him?
Yeah, you can choose a toy for him. Up to you.
Yay! Is he a baby or not a baby?
He's a baby. He's turning 1. He's gonna be a toddler.
Huh?
He's gonna be a toddler.
Toddler?
Yeah, put your
What's a
seatbelt.
toddler?
Baby is called a toddler when they turned 1 to 3 years old. May gusto akong bilhin na mirror sa Kmart, guys. Kasi naka-sale siya. And di ko siya nakita. Gusto ko, I've been wanting to buy that mirror. But the thing is, sold out na sila. Wala na akong makitang mabilhan. And they don't deliver it. You have to pick it up. Sana, in-order ko last time. Kasi nakita ko meron pang available dito sa malapit sa amin na Kmart. And then I was thinking, how am I gonna fit that mirror in this car? Kasi medyo malaki yung box niya. And then until I checked again, and sold out na siya, guys. Parang wavy. Wavy ata tawag dun. Yeah, it's not available. Naka-sale siya from $75 to $30 if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I need a standing mirror kasi sinira niya yung standing mirror ko, guys. There's a mirror there. Tingnan niyo, mag-lipstick pa daw siya. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. May dalaga na talaga ako. Oh, okay na na. Dali na. Gusto niya mag-lipstick tapos dapat naka-glasses. Ay, naka-sunglasses. Oh, dali. That's enough na. Show me. Oh, wow. Oh, dali. Tingnan niyo, magla-glasses din siya. Oh, oh wow. Oh, hi. Tingnan niyo naman yan. Show me. Oh, wow. Ang dalaga ko. Dali.
My hat too.
No, you have the bun already. It's gonna cover your bun.
What? Which
Yeah, your hairstyle. Come on.
check on my
Mag-hot pa din siya. Hindi na. You're going inside. It's not hot inside the mall. Dali. How about this, baby? 7.5. Mas gusto ko to. Kaya lang green siya. Parang ang laki. Come here. I'm trying this.
Oh, wait.
Aw, thank you, baby.
Can I fix your hair?
Not here. Because
Here. I'll take this for them. No, that's okay. Wait.
ang laki. They have 6. Oh, no. 7 and a half, 7, 9,
Mommy, can you be straight for a sec?
7.
Can you be straight for a sec, Mommy?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I'm just going to put it so it doesn't go to your eye. So
Okay.
you can see properly. You can just look straight. Just like
Yeah,
that.
it's always falling because that's my bangs.
Huh?
That's my bangs.
Wait, let's put this through here.
Move back.
I can hold it for you. I can hold it for you.
It's okay, baby.
I'm gonna hold it, but it's bad. You can't see.
I can see. It's okay.
No, it's not.
Should I get these shoes? What do you think, Ate? Should I get the shoes or not?
Yes. You should.
Malaki siya actually. Wala siya size for
It's
me.
actually very nice of you. I like it.
I need size 6. What is? Ano? Wala nang size 6. It's only 7. Ay? Okay, so we'll get 7. Ay, different shoes siya. Okay, covering it again.
Oh, sorry. How's it fixed?
Kaya lang green.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Pang-run ba?
How can you balance like that?
Want me to bounce?
No way. How can you balance like that? I can balance
A
too.
balance? Oh, I can. Why is it green? Okay naman siya. Ang ganda din ng kulay na to. Kasi kaya lang mahirap siya i-pair with other basta mahirap to i-pair kasi pink. Pero very soft siya compared dyan sa Adidas. Ano to? Puma? Puma ba to? Yeah, Puma siya guys. Very soft yung stretchy siya. Maganda. Which one?
This one.
Which one? Pink or white?
White.
Gusto niya talaga yung white. Na-awkward kasi ako yung kulay ng white, green. Mas prefer ko to ate. Mas soft siya dito guys. Sa side. Ito kasi parang tight. Ito very soft. Can I get the
I
pink?
would be so happy if you take the white one and the green.
I think I'll get the pink one ate.
No, let's get the green one so Daddy will like it.
Yeah, but I'm the one wearing it, not Daddy.
No, Daddy can like your shoes when you're wearing them.
Yeah, but weird kasi green yung kilid.
I can tie that for you.
No, it's okay.
I want to tie it. I know how to tie it.
No, it's okay.
Hello, how are you? Oh my goodness. How old?
She just turned
5?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Say hi.
How are
I used
you?
to walk with her.
Yeah,
She's
very
so
long time
cute.
ago. Your mum used to have a little yellow car. You are 5. Oh my goodness. Do you go to kindy? Or do you go to school?
I go to Candy.
You go to kindy. Which kindy do you go to? Is it Beachborough or is it Brabham? I don't have my phone. Yeah, they're all gone. Obviously they're popular.
Yeah. Yeah, no more. Yeah, they're nice. Very
They
comfortable.
are nice.
It's nice for running.
Yeah.
It's like, I need to exercise now. I need a new shoes. So mommy will get this one. Is that okay?
Yeah, they're nice.
No, get the other one.
These ones are nice. I like these ones.
Yeah.
Do you wear pink for ballet?
Yeah.
Do you?
Oh, pink. Daming naka-sale. Itong mga nasa rack na to, feeling ko naka-clearance siya. Ito na Barbie, ang cute. Walang size si Mia. $12 na lang, guys. Tapos yung mga skirt na yan. Very nice. Halloween. Oh, glow in the dark. Oh, diba? Walang man size. Pwede na sana nating bilhan si Kai. Walang size. Naka-summer clothes na lahat, guys. Look at the shorts, ate. Naka-sale na yung mga long sleeve. What do you want? We need to get Kai's more long sleeve. Tingnan nyo siya. Tingnan nyo, guys. Naka-sale yung brands nila. 14.50 na lang. Samantala, sa Meijer, 17. And bumili na ako. Ito yung mga binili ko. Mga parang knitted nila. So, naka-sale yung iba. Bumili na lang din ako ito. Ayan, dalawa lang. Kasi nakabili na ako sa Meijer. Si Mia, pili ng pili dun, oh. Pinagagawa. Tingnan natin. Ito yung gusto ko. Hindi siya naka-sale. Ito. Knitted. Parang knitted din yung material niya. But yeah, it's very nice. Papunta na kami sa toy section. Yeah, this is the section that we need for the babies.
Ah, look at this.
What do you think?
Red, orange, yellow, green,
You think he would like that?
purple,
Yeah?
pink, red,
Yeah, let's just give this to him.
orange, yellow, green,
Uy.
red, orange, green, red, orange, yellow, green, blue,
Siya yung nag-enjoy.
pink, purple.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hala guys, apakainit sa car. Apakainit naman talaga. Anyway, let's go home. 1 na guys.
I already hear Kai crying. He's crying.
1:17 ng haponan. Apakainit. Kaninang umaga, super cold. And now, super init. Nakulong yung food ko. Bumili ako sushi. Sa sushi. Ha?
Mom, did he drive for you?
Drive for me?
Yeah.
You know how to drive? No.
You can teach me the way.
How can you drive?
Oh, yeah. Can't drive yet.
You can only hold the steering wheel, but you cannot reach the pedal here. Kain tayo. You want this? What? Sarap siya. Palobat na kayo guys. Mag-haul tayo. Binuksan na ni Mia yung meron pa free, ano to? Yung Big W. Binibigay sila na disc, yung tawag. So, binuksan na ni Mia. Ang dami kong nakuha kasi naka 200 plus ako sa Big W guys. But, yeah. We've got some stuff here for me, for myself, and I. Charot. Bumili ako ng mga gamit ko and Kai's as well kasi kailangan niya pa ng more. And yeah, swimwear ni Mia. Ayun. And yung present natin for tomorrow. So yeah, ang dami nilang binigay sa akin as in super dami. But yeah. So pumunta lang naman ako ng Big W guys. Tapos nagpabili yung kapatid ko ng P-pad sa Kmart. Ako bumili kasi yung reject shop na ubusan na sila ng 100 pack na P-pad. So mas mura kasi pag 100 pack kasi $20 lang. Same sila ng reject shop. Pumunta talaga ako Kmart just to get P-pad. Tapos bumili na lang din ako ng cable kasi on the parang daanan mo lang siya papunta dun sa aisle ng P-pad. So I've got this cable. Bongga naman talaga tong cable na to. So, I've got this. Naka-sale to eh. $10 na lang siya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. So, yeah. USB-C siya to USB... Yeah. Parang, yeah. USB-C to, ano... ang ganito. Yung lumang charger. Yan. So, yun yung binili ko. And then, bumili na din ako nito. And yung large storage box. Kasi sabi ko kay Mia, dito mo ilagay yung mga ano mo. Kasi ang dami na talaga guys. This one. So binili ko to. Kasi sabi ko dito mo lang ilagay yung mga pencil case mo. Kasi sobrang daming pencil case. Tapos ang dami ding mga yeah. Ganito niya. Markers. Kung saan-saan na. So ito nakuha niya ng birthday niya. Ang ginagamit niya may mga laman din to. Sabi ko, dito mo na lang sila ilagay kasi kasya naman, oh. Ayan. Kasya naman siya. So, yeah, para is pag nag-drawing ka, ito na lang yung kukunin mo. Ang madali lang. So, ito na. Ito lahat. So, binili ko din tong storage box na to sa Big W to, guys. Ito yung lid niya. Parang mas maganda to, actually. Kasi hindi gray yung ano niya, yung covers. Sa Kmart kasi gray yung cover niya, guys. Mas maganda yung ganito sa Big W. I like this. So, ito, bumili ako ng more Andy for me. So, yung bonds lang nila na underwear. Maganda kasi yung bonds nila na underwear, guys. So, yung binibili ko is yung full. Hindi siya bikini. Full brief yung tawag nila. So, I've got 3 of that. Tapos, ito yung maternity bra. Since, ano na si Kai kasi siya, ang dami ko namang maternity bra. Kaya lang yung iba hindi na kasya, guys. So, yeah, I got bigger size. Bigger size. Yes, I got bigger size. So, yung binili ko is from Brilliant Basics. Tapos, meron din akong nabili last time from Bonds. And gustong-gusto ko din yun. Kasi, maganda yung kapit niya. Hindi siya maluwag. So, yeah, I like that. Tapos, nagustuhan ko din to kasi na-try ko na din to binili and I have it. So, pag nagpadede lang ako kay Kai, since maternity siya, you have to just do that. So, yeah, mas madali lang siya. May mga ginagamit din akong bra na hindi maternity. Yung ginagawa ko, tinataas ko. And mas mahirap siya minsan kasi may foam yung bra eh. So, natutupi din yung foam pag tinataas ko. So, sabi ko, let's buy more maternity bra. So, I got more. So, may adjustment din siya. Ayan. So, yeah, very nice. I've got it in 2 black and 1 beige. Kasi may isang beige na ako doon. And nagustuhan ko siya, guys. So, sabi ko, yes, we'll get more. Tapos, yung bonds din na parang ganito yung style. I really like as well. Kaya lang mahal kasi yung bonds, guys. Umaabot ng like $30. Samantalang ito, it's only 12 ba to? Or 10? Yeah, so mas mura to. Sabi ko dito na lang tayo. Yeah, so naka-display na yung mga summer clothes ng Big W. Naka-sale na din yung mga winter clothes nila. Obviously, magsispring na very soon. So, ang dami ng, as in, nagpalit na sila ng mga display. So, yes, I've got Mia this more, siya pumili nito. More swimwear para sa swimming lesson niya. So, yung iba kasi hindi na kasya yung suot niya ngayon na ginagamit niya most of the time. Siya lang pumipili ng mga swimwear niya, guys. So, kahit hindi kasya, sinusuot niya sa swimming lesson niya. Sabi ko, hindi na yan kasya sa'yo. Just choose the frozen one kasi yung frozen one is yung bago niya. And yun yung size 4. And the rest is size 3, size 2. Pero pinipilit niya pa din suotin. So, size 4 na siya ngayon. So, I have size 4, this one. I think this is size 4. The unicorn one, siya pumili nito. Kasi sabi ko, yes, you can wear that now. Pero later, pag nagbakasyon tayo, maybe you can bring this. Ayan. So, she's got this parang, yeah, floral, size 5 yung kinuha ko nito. Kasi sabi ko, hindi mo naman yan, like, gagamitin agad-agad. So, yeah. Kasi once a week lang naman yung swimming niya. So, she can just use this. Pero depende sa kanya, baka gamitin niya din to. So, yes, $15 to, guys, sa Big W. And ito, cute na cute ako. And wala na silang dun. Yeah, paubos na to. So, sabi ko, bilhin ko na lang si Mia. Kasi cute na cute ako sa... Uso kasi ngayon to, di ba? Yung may mga print yung denim na mga shorts or pants. So, yeah, I've got her this. And kay nasa playpen, guys. Hindi siya natulog. What happened? Ano man yung ginagawa mo dyan? Nagbay-bahaya na naman si ate. So, may blanket na naman to. Nalabahan na tong blanket na to. Pero, bumalik na naman ulit dyan. What happened, boy? Gusto niya siguro Ano nangyari? Ha? Let's remove that blanket. Kasi si ate... let's remove the blanket. I know, Buboy. What happened? Let's remove the blanket. Gusto mo lang Nga man umiiyak. Ka, mama. Here. Dali. Dali, kamang. Ito yung gusto niyang ginagawa. Makamang siya. Dali, kamang. Kamang. Oh, paano ka makalabas? It's cold. Malamig yung tiles. Malamig yung tiles, boy. Baka mabunggo ka. O, dali, kamang, punta sa ila. Dali, kadto sa ila. Oh. Papunta na siya sa inyo, guys. Baka maano yung ulo mo. Oh, say hello, people. Say hi. Huwag ka dyan, ah. Huwag lang dyan, ah. Oh, walker ka? Ano ang gusto? Oh, look, I've got you this. I've got Kai more. Onesie. Mura daw $8. So, binalik ko yung bonds kasi sabi ko, okay naman yung quality nito. So, I've got this color as well. Ayan. Knitted siya. But okay siya for malamig. Ito lang yung isang bonds yung kinuha ko. Binalik ko yung parang animal print. Yan. So, this one medyo manipis nga to eh. But yeah. What size did I get? This one. And then this one, ayan, pag summer na for Mia. Ayan. Very nice. Very nice yung print. Kaya I got it. Paubos na din yung ganitong print nila. And, si Mia pumili nito, guys. Ayan. Gusto niya daw gamitin pag natutulog siya. And then, ito yung regalo na binili ko. Ayan. And, that's it. The storage box. Oh, pinatulog ko to. Ayaw matulog. Gising. Pinadede ko na pero ayaw. So ngayon, ayaw magpalagay sa playpen. Anong gustong gagawin? Ha? Ano ang gustong gawin ng aking buboy? Ano? Ayaw din magpalagay sa walker. So what do you wanna do? Ha? What do you wanna do? Punta pala kami sa bahay ng parents ko tonight. Doon kami magde-dinner. Kasi tomorrow is Sunday. We have a party to attend. So sabi ko, gabi kasi yung party tomorrow, guys. Normally, di ba, pag Sunday, doon kami nagde-dinner sa kanila. So sabi ko, we will go there tonight na lang. Para at least we can visit them and play with the kids. Umiiyak ka ba o tumatawa? Are you gonna sleep, Kai, or not? Because mommy have to put away this. And I need to edit a vlog. Para may vlog tayo mamaya. Ilang araw na akong walang vlog. Alam mo yun, wala akong ma-upload na vlog. Na-upload pala. Kasi yung phone ko, punong-puno na, guys. And I'm trying to delete some of the videos na mga walang kwenta. Pero, napupuno pa din siya kasi, of course, I'm saving videos. Kasi doon ako sa phone ko nag-edit. So, now, I'm planning to use my other phone. Doon na lang ako mag-edit. Doon ko na lang to isa-save yung mga videos na nandito sa aking camera. Doon ko na lang siya i-prepare. Tapos, doon na lang ako mag-edit. Kasi yung phone ko ngayon is very puno na. Very puno na talaga. Hindi niya na kaya. Meron akong iCloud. Yung iCloud ko is marami pang space, 1 terabyte. Yung iCloud ko kasi nga nagbumili ako ng 1 terabyte na space sa iCloud. But I still have to empty my iPhone storage kasi yun yung yun yung kailangan kong i-empty. So, napupuno siya kasi of course, I'm taking videos, a lot of videos and pictures on my phone because we have this little boy, so all the time I keep taking videos and pictures lang. So yes, kaya mabilis siya mapuno. I have like 25, I think 20 na lang natira ngayon. 20,000 videos on my phone. Plus the pictures. Iba naman yung pictures, guys. So yes, kaya hindi na kinaya ng aking phone. Anyway, Kai, can you go back there and mommy will put this away and then I'll try to put you back to sleep again. Sounds good? Sounds good. Sounds great. Sounds great, mommy. And this boy, he doesn't want to sit anymore. He just want to keep standing and trying to let go as if kaya niya na. 'Di ba? As if kaya mo naman, hindi naman kaya. Last night, oh my gosh, he's trying so many times to stand up. He's pushing himself up, tapos hold sa playpen. And then, when he holds sa playpen, he will let go purposely, guys. Like, gaganon lang siya bigla. Siyempre, matutumba siya. And tapos, pag natumba siya, iiyak siya kasi nasaktan siya, masakit. Di ba, Kai?
Yes, I'm talking about you, boy. Alright, come on. Can I put you back? Ah, baka nagpupo ka. Nagpupo ka. Ah, kaya puno. Wala man. Mommy will change your nappy soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I will get you soon. I'll just need to put this away. I'm sorry, baby. Sorry, my love.
Andito na kami. Look at this! Pansit, pansit! And the crab with pumpkin. Si Mia, pinapakain ko na kasi kung ano-ano yung snack yung kinakain, guys. And I'm gonna feed Kai too. Ay! Ay, aba! May jumping na si Kai Kai. Ah, jumping na si Kai Kai. Jump to your high chair. Mommy feed you. Kai Kai, jump! 1, 2, 3, ooh! Gali. Ay! Ay! Ay, hala. Nahulog pa nga. Okay. Wait lang, baby. You have chicken, vegetable, and rice. You're gonna be so dirty. Nag-ano na bala akong camera na yun. Nag-glitch. Kada ka basis ka lang boom. Ba't maawa? Mia? Sabi na yan. Ano ma? Where's your bihon, Mia? Oh, eat na. Why are you hiding at Daddy Lo's back?
What? Ano to?
Kai.
Wait for mommy.
Ano mag-iipin na kinaon? Ew, that's yucky, Kai. Nakita. Di ba na-accidente? Ang facing na yun. Kanila. Facing city. Tapos di ba, may mga guys na area. Okay pa sa
Tapos may isa din kagong tao, ang yes din, maging kuha, ano yan.
Okay pa sa accidente, wala pa nagkalabuka. Ang mga tao na yan, ang gano'n yan.
Mga tao, hindi Nanya kamu to?
problema ba si delay na naman? Kailan nag-delay kami 2 hours?
Ay, hindi. Ang pakadto gali.
Kung sa matag ka 3
Wala
hours
sila.
ang
Wala
alawas.
sila hapon.
Oh yeah, 6:50 a.m.
Hindi, 4:50. Muning pabalik yan.
Yeah, pabalik ato niya.
Okay na yan. Okay, okay, sige. Ang pakadto, pwede ta hapon, no? Hapon.
Grabe ko nga.
Di ba di naman delay kita pa kadto dito
Hindi,
kasi pabalik na to. Hindi na sa mo delay.
Hindi mo ang pakadto dito, aga ng
Oo.
di gabi.
Ay, ato naabot daan 11:50. So, dapat
Eh, the next day na lang eh.
The next day. Wala sila sa hapon.
Wala pa lang hapon. Cebu boy.
Pal.
Ano aton abot? 6:10 sa ngaga.
16 sa mga.
May ara sa sa ulo ug to pa.
Wala, ano.
Makagwa kita din alas 8.
Ang abot na to, ano.
May alas 11
Di ba
nga
ang to
flight.
abot?
Wala.
Yeah, udto ato naabot.
Mamong kapila pa
Wala
kita.
na ano, wala sa wala ko pili.
Wala pa.
So isa lang na kailangan pakadto.
Ah, isa lang yun.
Air Asia lang na.
Basi puno
Cebu
na.
by or Air Asia.
Basi puno na.
Hindi.
Tsaka
Wala ko
Asia lang
aga
ako,
lang
Cebu
din man
Pacific
sila
Bay.
na eh.
Basi ubos na.
Aga lang.
Air
Yeah,
Asia
wala
lang,
na,
Cebu
like,
Pacific
pa.
lang na. Ang sa hapon.
Tanaw na be, double check be.
Wala na kay wagi ko nilagay pa pili. Diretso siya.
Isa lang yung
So isa lang gid ang flight.
nga available.
Kaya never pa ko nagka-file gid
So,
man
kita
yung
lang
file.
mag next day pal. For da aga.
5 ano TV, 5 ano
Kaya
TV.
okay lang man akong pakadto na
Dili.
ano, kasi
Kahit
hindi
i-em
naman
check.
national.
4 a.m. sa aga. Tapos
Yes.
Dito yung mata.
Peekaboo. Tatawa siya. Ready?
Dati ako niya to.
Peekaboo. 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 Oh, pero kapaingit. Obo nga mga paingit na. Peekaboo. Paingit na.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.